So let's look at some more terminology when it comes to functions. So we're going to start with a definition of an image. So if AB is an F, then we write B equals F of A. So you can write function notation here. And call B the image of A under the function F. And we also use the term mapping for F. F is called a mapping. And we'll also say the phrase F maps A into B. All right, so now that we have those, let's next talk about the range of F. So we're going to write it as a set here, the range of F. Well, the range is all the outputs of your function essentially, so it's all the elements B in your set B, where B is an image under F of some element of A. So that just means I'm taking all the outputs of my function, so really it's all the values f of x where x is in A. So let's look at an example. Consider our previous example of a function. So just to recall, we were using in our previous example of a function, A was 1, 2, 3, and B was ABC. And we had F was our function, which had the pairs 1A, 2B, and 3A. And I want to know, so I'll say question, what is the range of F? So the range of F, remember the way we define this, it's f of x, where x is in A. So you need to look at your second coordinates of your ordered pairs here. So A, B, and A. Now you don't need to repeat A when you write it in your set. So it's just the set with A and B in it. And there is my range of my function. So range, it's just the outputs of your function, or really, if you're thinking in terms of a relation, it's your second coordinates of your ordered pairs. And I want to talk about one more definition. I want to talk about what it means for two sets, or for two functions to be equal. So we say two functions, so f from A to B, and G also has to go from A to B, are equal and we write that. It's just F equals G if, well, they have to agree on every value of A, so F of A equals G of A for all A and A. So if when I input in all my values and these two functions spit out the same outputs, then these two functions are equal.